Most people get online banking wrong. They either pick a bank based on ads or go for convenience without checking features. Today, we're comparing Ally Bank and Chime to see which is better for you right now. Ally Bank is a traditional online bank with checking, savings, and investing products. It's known for high-yield savings and no monthly fees. Chime is more of a neobank focused on simplicity, early direct deposits, and spending automation. Most people get this wrong by assuming they are the same. They cater to different needs. Starting with Ally, the savings accounts offer competitive interest rates, often above 3%, with full FDIC insurance. Their checking accounts have no minimum balance and come with standard debit cards. Ally also offers tools for budgeting, auto savings, and even investment accounts if you want to grow your money. Chime, on the other hand, shines in accessibility. You get instant notifications, automatic savings, and early direct deposits, sometimes up to 2 days ahead. It's ideal for people who want a simple app to manage daily spending and avoid fees. Most people get this wrong by ignoring how small daily features like fee-free overdraft and roundup savings impact finances. One key difference is customer support and banking security. Ally provides phone and chat support, while Chime relies mostly on app chat. For complex issues, Ally might be more reliable. However, Chime's user interface is cleaner and faster for mobile users. In conclusion, Ally Bank is better if you want high interest, full banking tools, and investments. Chime is better if you value simplicity, instant notifications, and early access to paychecks. Most people get this wrong by assuming one size fits all. Choosing depends on your priorities. Subscribe for more honest banking comparisons so you can pick the right online bank for your lifestyle.